I've just come off of Zator, and no surprise, it's still my #1 coaster. It's just relentless throughout the entire layout, and I absolutely love it.
To już chuj. To już chuj.
Even though you have to wear goggles on the front row of the bigger thrill rides here now, Hyperion is still an absolute beast. Cannot beat a front row ride, and it is so fast and intense, it's amazing. Just found this out, but if you come out of the park and turn left and go underneath the Hyperion lift hill, you can get some really good shots of the coaster in action and get really close up to it as well. Zator is ridiculously good, I cannot get enough of it. CORVUS Abyssus. It's a really great coaster. It's a shame about the restraints, how there's a chest harness as well as a lap bar. It worked much better with just a lap bar. It's a really great smooth coaster. I really like it. There's also a great Vekoma family boomerang in this area called Light Explorer, so we're going to give that a go.
Oh, it's still a bit jolty.
So that was Mayan, and I think because of the lap bars, it's probably one of the best SLCs out there. Like, don't get me wrong, it's still a little bit rough in some places, but the majority of it's quite smooth, so enjoyable ride.
Oh, the G-forces. Whoa. Straight down. The rain.
So that was the Vekoma family boomerang, conveniently called Boomerang. But yeah, great little ride. I think if I was going to rank the coasters at this park, Formula would be third behind Zator and Hyperion. It's absolutely incredible. The speed, the inversions, the smoothness, the layout is just perfect. EMF Dragon coaster is really good. How that's classed as a family coaster still amazes me. Like, it's so fast and it's quite intense in some spots as well. Vekoma need to make more of these. It's just started raining pretty bad here, so we're going to see how many rides we can get in before it gets worse. I hope this isn't a bad idea, but it's just started raining even more. Such a bad idea, I couldn't even open my eyes. After one very painful rainy ride on Hyperion, we're going to do a rainy ride on Zator.
My eyes shut pretty much all of that.
It's still my number one coaster, but wow, does that hurt in the rain. Absolute soakers of some rides this afternoon at Energylandia. They're keeping the coasters open, which is great. The rain just keeps on coming, so we just thought, screw it, we're going on the water coaster. So here we are, we're going to ride Speed. This lift is so cool. Please line up. Whoa! Oh, my hood's coming off. Oh no, my hood's come off. I'm blaming you if I get wet. You made me do this. No! Oh, okay. That wasn't too bad. I'll do that again. My GoPro is drenched. That's it for my time at Energylandia. We've spent 2 days at the park. I've been here before and I'll definitely be coming back. I absolutely love it. The collection of rides they have is absolutely incredible. Zator being my number one, obviously. Hyperion, definitely in my top 10, maybe even my top 5. The whole park's just great. Really easy to get to from Krakow Airport. Super cheap over here as well. I recommend it. Definitely if you're a coaster enthusiast to get to this park. It is absolutely amazing. I'll see you all in the next vlog, sometime next year maybe. And stick around for more Planet Coaster videos. Thank you so much for watching. See you later.